Good morning, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm very good. My name's Sharon. How can I help today?
I'm just here for the works package.
Okay, I'm going to set you up with the service advisor, Rob, and when he's done with you, I'll walk you over to the customer lounge, see if you want a coffee or maybe a little cookie to eat, okay?
Okay, sounds great, thanks.
Okay, great. See you in a moment.
Hey Nick, how you doing today? I see you're in for the works package. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check everything over for you. Check your belt, hoses, fluids, lights, tires, everything going through this 96-point inspection. Make sure you're good to go for the winter time. Once we're done that, I'll come and get you out of the lounge. Sharon, our concierge, is gonna take you to the lounge there, and if you need a coffee or snack or anything like that, please let us know.
Awesome, thanks so much.
Hey Nick, how's it going?
Good, thanks.
Listen, I brought you a little snack. We have cookies and nuts and chips, whatever you like. Do you want coffee? Maybe a bottle of water to go with it?
No, I'm all set. This is great.
Okay. Well, your vehicle's here now for the works package, so I'll just keep an eye when your paperwork comes out, and we'll come back and get you, okay?
Okay, thanks.
All right, perfect. Thank you. Hey Nick, your vehicle's already done now, so if you just want to come with me, we'll go see Rob. He'll give you your keys, go through the vehicle report card with you, and then we'll make sure you know where your vehicle's parked in the back, okay?
Okay, thanks.
Alrighty.